Hey guys, this demonstration is designed to help you all visualize the 10% rule. So remember, the 10% rule tells us that only 10% of energy is transferred between each trophic level, all right? So if we were at school in the lab, we would be using glassware for this, but instead we're using mason jars. I have our trophic levels labeled up here, so each jar is going to represent a different level, all right? And so I filled this jar up with 1,000 milliliters of water and some food coloring so that we can visualize how much energy is transferred between each trophic level, okay? So by now you should have filled out your data table, major calculations using the 10% rule. And so what we saw is if we rounded each number, we would get 10%. All right? If you did not get that, please go back and review your calculations. So 10% of 1,000 milliliters. Anybody know what that is? It is 100 milliliters. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this is exactly 100 milliliters right here. So I'm going to pour 100 milliliters into our primary consumers. Okay? So that's how much energy will be passed from our producers to our primary consumers. For our secondary consumers, they're going to get 10% of this. So we have 100 milliliters, so they're going to get 10 milliliters. Got my handy dandy teaspoon. 2 teaspoons is exactly 10 milliliters. Again, if we were in the lab, we would be using actual lab equipment, but we're not. So 10 milliliters goes to our secondary consumers. So as you can see, it's getting difficult to see our original energy that we started with, all right? Our last trophic level goes to our tertiary consumers. And so they're gonna get 10% of 10 milliliters. That is going to be 1 milliliter. And so I've got a little 4th teaspoon here. It's gonna be, help us visualize that 1 milliliter, all right? Okay, so see if I can hold this up. You can barely see this in our last trophic level, but it is there. So now what I want you guys to do is I want you to use this demonstration to help you answer questions 1 through 6 on our lab. Please let me know if you have any questions.